All right, we already did it, right? So my way is this thing is not showing up. Right. See, this is the one way, right? So it's a one match, right? Also, I want to make it more solid, so I can put another. I can use XPath operator saying and. I want it to contains text. I want my text to contain connect. Hold on, with friend. Now let me do class in this case. I wanted the class value to contain. What did I do? Damn it. And class to contain that inline block, right? Now, this XPath first it look for h2 element with the h2 tags, and then it will look for two conditions. One is on the text, if the text starts with connect, it will find it. Also, when the class attribute has inline block in there. So in that case, if both of the attribute match, then it will find it, right? If one of them does not match, then this will not it will not gonna find anything. For example, if I put 1 in there, see, so that means both of the condition has to match. Yes, Harry.
So even though the class is dynamic, that's still okay to locate it?
This no, this first part will not. It's not gonna change.
Okay. The rest is dynamic.
Yeah, I think the rest of them might be changed because it start from _3 MA something like this. This is auto generated.
I see, but the first part,
Yeah, it should not change. Always before you locate something, try to refresh the page multiple times, right? If and then use the same path. If it changed, then that means dynamic. For example, now if I refresh it, right? Oh, it looks like it changed, right? Oh, I went to different page. Never mind. Let me copy this. I go to Facebook again. F12. Control F. Paste it. See, I was still able to locate it. That means this path works, right? So if it's dynamic, when you refresh the page, it will change. Okay. That's how you know the element is dynamic or not. So next, position method should put in XPath. So position function help the user to get the match at particular index. Using position, we can get elements which are less than the position or greater than the position as well. Locating element by position can be used for locating an element explicitly when there are many candidate elements matching the given XPath. So syntax is pretty much this. Remember that when you write some XPath and then if it found like multiple stuff, and then if there's sibling, and then if you do square bracket with a number, it should find whatever the index they're given, right? For example, let's say input, so maybe there's some table somewhere that I can find. Okay, hold on. I know there's a website that I can actually use. One second, this is a website. Position. No. This is a very good website. It has so many different kind of elements that we can use. Let me sign in. Friends. Okay. And like shadow table. Menu or drop down. This one right here. Tables. Not tables. Why is this guy called tables? Oh, it's tabs. Never mind. Menu slider, widget interest. You know what? Let me create one thing here. I'm gonna create another thing, okay? I'm gonna create the div tag. I'm gonna create table in there. I'm gonna give ID to tables, and then I'm gonna call this one bunch of tr. I'm gonna copy paste. Okay. Row one. One.
That's not what I was thinking. I was saying buying a whole city and then moving them out so you had your own city. Sigma 5 is
Where'd my table go? Yeah, it shows really small. Okay. Table div. Oh. Style size equal to yes.
That's what I'm saying. Like, make all your money, move to the countries that have very good currency, and literally buy part of the country. I can hire some locals with 10 bucks. Give them an AR, you're good.
Shit.
I'm the gracious guy. Imagine the strip club with this.
Nah, this one's not working. Pixel. What? Never mind. Let's use this. Mm.
This is not how that works.
Okay, let's just use this one.
Alright.
Okay, cool. I was able to locate. So this is a table. This is HTML tables. Okay, it'll normally represent by a table, and then in the table normally you'll have T body and the T bunch of TR, right? TR is a table row. Look, when I highlight it, it's a row, right? And in each TR you have TD. TD represent table data. See, table data, right? So I think hold on.
So TD can be each TD one by one.
Copy,
can be
paste.
elements.
There's the T body. Let me just add a T body. Maybe I can. I will able to represent this T body. Table. Nah, it's just the size is so small. It's not showing anything. Oh, maybe this one. Let me take this one out. It's not showing. Never mind. So here, right? So when you analyze this, so when you see a table tag, don't panic, okay? It's a lot of people they panic because sometimes they in the company they might ask you, like when you see something like this, they might gonna ask you to click or get certain data from a table. Like maybe they want to let you get the Mexico or enter something here, or maybe click something in here, right? That might be your test cases to automate. In that case, don't panic because when you actually look at HTML, it's very simple. When you know, like when you see a table tag, that means this element, whole element right here, represented by a table, right? And the table, and everything inside table represent by it will put it in the T body tag, and in T body tag you will have TR. TR represent each table row, and in TR you will have bunch of first TR will have TH. Okay, see this one first TR. What is TH is pretty much table headers. See company, contacts, and country. And in the TH is pretty much just the text, right? And then from second, it will be represented by TD. TD is table data, right? See, data, right? So when you expand all the TR, you will see a bunch of TD, and normally this TD number of TD will be the same. It will stay. If first one 3, then second one always will be 3. Third one always will be 3, right? So my question was, we're trying to position, right? So if you, for example, first one is this one. That means you can use this when you're trying when you write XPath that locate multiple elements in the web page, and if they're under the same sibling, if they're the siblings under the same parent, you can just use the bracket, give the index of them. For example, in this case, I write XPath, right? I'm going to start from table in this case, right? Table ID customers. I'm going to use the customers. Right? When I do slash, and then when I do T body, locate a T body, and I'll go to T body. When I do TR, it locate a bunch of 7. You know why? Because there's 7 of them right here. Look, when you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Right here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Now, because they're the siblings, right? They're under the same parent, T body. So in that case, if you want to locate the first one, just do bracket 1. See, locating the first one. Or if you want to do second one, bracket 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you see? And 7. And remember, it doesn't start from 0 index. It starts from 1, okay? Or you can use position. Position class. You can do position equal to 1, position equal to 2, position equal to 3. Or you can do less than 5. Then it will locate 4, right? That means position before 4, it will locate all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? Right? If you do less than or greater than 5, it will locate 5. First 5. If you do position is more than 1, then it will locate from second one till the end. That means 6. If you do greater than equal to 1, it will do all of them, right? Yes.
And the position with the and position
Yes, you can do. And TR and the position. The position. Did I? Oh, but now
You can put breaks.
I forgot breaks. There you go. Still worry. You can do combination, okay? And or blah blah blah, all of them, right? So this position and the or. There's also one called. See here. See, first one we went over it, right? Second one, last. Okay. In this case, if you do last, it will locate the last one. Okay. That one's last, and the last take out one. That means it will locate first one, sixth one, right? In this case, it will go first. It will find the last position, and they'll take out one, and it go find another one, right? That means it will first. It will comes here. For example, look. You find the position 7, the last one. When you do take out 1, then it will come to 6, right? That means locate the 6th. If you do 2, it will should be 5. See, it's like a math, right? And then this is what I do went through. Greater than, less than, right? There is no first. I don't think there's a first. There's no first, okay? If you do want a first, just do 1.
What's the advantage of doing position versus one?
The same thing.
If that TR changes,
Okay, if you look, if you use position, you have more chances. Less than, greater than, you can use that with position. But if you do just use number, it should represent the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Okay. It's pretty much same as what this one is same as this, equal. It's same as position to 1. Okay, let's put some. Parentheses. Oh, I spelled this one wrong. Right? Position equal to 1, position equal to 2. This are same as this.
okay.
1, 2, 3, right? And then remember, you cannot use this when you're trying to locate, for example, look. Let me come to my website. Look. When I come here, and then when I do input, it found 2, right? It might work in this case. See, now I can use position here. Input 1, 2. That means whatever stuff you're trying to locate, it has to be under the same parent, same siblings, right? There has to be sibling, and you guys know what is siblings?
Other one.
Same levels, right?
Yeah.
Something like that. These are siblings. See, they're same levels, and then they're under the same parent T-body. Okay. That's about position. You guys want to try? Just go to this W3 school website, that HTML, and then just go to this table and then try and locate elements from you. And then if I want to locate element inside the first row, if I want to locate this company, what I do is first, this located the first company row, right? And then there's TH. So what I do is, if I do TH, it should find 3. I can also use what? In this case, 1. See, TR1, TH1 located the company. If I want to make it more dynamic, in that case, in TH, I can make it what? Remember the text go to what? Company, right? See? It's pretty much just a combination. It's pattern. So you're going to want to try it out. Just go to this website. Try it. Use a position. Use all of them that I told you guys right here.